Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best rocket money budgeting tips for beginners. So let's quickly dive into it. So if you are new to budgeting, Rocket Money makes it simple to get started with. The first is to link all your accounts so the app can track and categorize every transaction automatically. This gives you a clear picture of your income and spending. The next is to set budget for each categories like groceries, bills, and entertainment, and also you can enable alert to avoid overspending. Use the automatic savings and the goal-based pot to build emergency fund or save for specific target. So if this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more budgeting tips, and comment which Rocket Money features you would definitely like to start with. And that's it.